Hello, my name is Sascha Waffer. I'm the head of the ICM Business School Campus Nuremberg. I want to invite you to our Creative Talent Days at ICM Business School. In our workshops and lectures, you can experience why we believe that your creative thinking makes a difference. Come by, visit us, experience student life at ICM Business School Campus Nürnberg. I can't wait to meet you.
I am Kamal Ministri. I am Associate Professor at ICM Business School. The Creative Talent Day is a very important and interesting initiative for future students, but also for the school.
Hello, my name is Javier Flores and I'm professor here in ICM Business School. I'd like to invite everybody to come to Creative Talent Days. I think that this is a good opportunity for candidates to experience and to have a sense of what the spirit in ICM is about.
And my name is Owen. I'm a second-year bachelor here at ICM Business School. I'm from the US, but now I live in Nuremberg, Germany.
My name is Stefan Stöcke. I'm an associate professor of accounting and finance, and today I would like to introduce the specialization Finance, Insurance and Risk Management in our master program.
So, that was our Creative Talent Day at the ICM Business School in Nuremberg. We had a lot of interesting workshops, interesting participants and good lectures. If you liked what you saw, check out our website and visit us for our next Creative Talents Day. I can't wait to meet you. Bye.